Hey guys, thanks for checking in again. Today is a unplanned quick video, and there's some irony in it. I started my YouTube channel about a year ago now, and my first video was on wheel torque and wheel torquing procedures and all of that and the importance of, and it was a real simple video. It was something, I guess, kick off the channel, right? A year later, I'm about to go over it again for a different reason. This car came in for an oil change and a growling noise, which I believe is the hub on the other side. We're in the back of the car. I believe it's the left rear. I'm going to check both. But here's the but. I went to take the wheels off. Simple enough. Grab the air gun, put the air gun on it, hit the trigger, and the lug nut came right off. I've done a video on the over-tightened lug nuts. You know, kill me. I don't know who puts them on, like, you know, with a 3/4 gun, like they're never going to come off again. You know, they break the chrome caps. That's usually the problem, right? They over-tighten them, they destroy them. This one, the lug nuts flew off. To the point I kind of stopped and I went, wow, that's really loose. I wonder how loose they really are. So I came over to this side to take this wheel off, and it was the same thing. So I pulled one, and I stopped. I put the car back down so the wheel's hitting the ground, grabbed my torque wrench. And it was as bad as I thought. And I thought I'd bring you along real quick to show you how I'm going to check it. And we'll go from there. So, alright, so what I want to do is, I've already confirmed, I already took this one off, I've confirmed these two are loose. We're going to work on this next one here, and this is where I take you guys along. I'm going to, rather than work backwards, I'm going to work forwards. I'm going to loosen this up all the way down, somewhere around about 30 foot-pounds. I'm sure it'll click, I'm sure it's not that loose, and it's not. Now I'm blindly going to turn it up just a little bit. So what I want to do is just keep turning a little bit until the nut moves. Now, essentially, in a crude way, tell me how loose this lug nut is, right? Just want to go till it moves. Uh-oh, there, almost. Turn it up a couple pounds. No. Thought it moved there. Right there. Right there. Right there it's moving. And I am at 70 pounds. I am at 70 pounds, so I'm going to say, if I put this at 80, it's moving. So we're right around 70 pound mark. That's pretty bad, considering these wheels should be somewhere around 90 to 100 pounds. They were all like this. They were all loose. Guys, be careful. Tighten the wheels up. Don't over tighten. If you don't know your air tool, don't use it. If you're not sure, pick up a torque wrench. If you want to train yourself with your gun, try tightening it up and checking it with a torque wrench until you can learn to get that feel. This could have been really bad. This is an SUV. This tire comes off at 60 miles an hour. We got a real big ugly situation. I'm telling you, these things are loose. Guys, that's really it. I don't want to drag this on me just longer than it has to be. These wheels were loose. All of them. In fact, I haven't pulled the fronts off yet, but I'm willing to bet they're just as bad. So we will go over them. Guys, that's it. Check your equipment. Make sure it works properly. Use it. Be safe. Thanks for stopping by. And that's it. Talk to you soon, guys and gals.